Miraculous adventures, the butterfly's deception. In the bustling city of Paris, where the Eiffel Tower stood tall and the Seine River sparkled under the city lights, lived a teenage girl named Marinette Dupain-Cheng. By day, she was a talented fashion designer and high school student. But by night, she transformed into the superhero known as Ladybug. Alongside her partner, Chat Noir, they protected Paris from the mysterious villain Hawk Moth, who sought to misuse magical, miraculous jewelry for his own nefarious plans. One sunny morning, as Marinette walked to school with her best friend Alia, they noticed an unusual commotion near the Louvre Museum. People were running and screaming, and the city was in chaos. Marinette's earrings, known as the Ladybug Miraculous, began to buzz, alerting her to the presence of danger. Alia, ever the inquisitive reporter, encouraged Marinette to transform into Ladybug and investigate. In a hidden corner, Marinette spun her magic yo-yo, uttering the familiar words, "Spots on." A burst of red light enveloped her, and in an instant, Marinette transformed into the fearless Ladybug. With agility and grace, Ladybug swung through the streets of Paris, arriving at the Louvre in no time. There, she found a swarm of magical butterflies, dark and ominous, wreaking havoc on the famous artworks. The people in the museum were trapped, surrounded by the enchanted butterflies, unable to escape. Ladybug knew that something was amiss. She called upon her partner, Chat Noir, with a quick flick of her yo-yo. Chat Noir, a charming black cat-themed hero, arrived with his cat-like agility, ready to lend a paw. Together, Ladybug and Chat Noir devised a plan to free the museum from the butterfly onslaught. Ladybug used her lucky charm, a magical item that granted her a special power, to create a protective barrier around the people. Chat Noir, with his cataclysmic powers, focused on dispersing the dark butterflies. As they fought against the swarm, a mysterious figure watched from the shadows. It was Hawk Moth, the villainous mastermind behind the chaos. He observed the heroes, his eyes gleaming with determination to seize their miraculous and amplify his powers. After a fierce battle, Ladybug and Chat Noir managed to dispel the dark butterflies and free the trapped people. The citizens of Paris cheered for their beloved heroes, grateful for their swift action. Ladybug, with her signature yo-yo spin, created a vortex that gathered the remaining butterflies, sealing them away. However, Hawk Moth was not discouraged. He had one more trick up his sleeve. As Ladybug and Chat Noir were about to leave, a mysterious Akuma, a malevolent butterfly, fluttered towards a young artist named Emily. Hawk Moth, sensing her sadness and frustration, transformed her into a puppet of darkness, granting her magical powers. Emily, now known as Mirage, had the ability to create illusions that twisted reality. Hawk Moth hoped that her powers would confuse and weaken Ladybug and Chat Noir, making it easier for him to steal their miraculous. The next day at school, Marinette and her classmates were introduced to Emily, a new student with a passion for art. Little did they know that Mirage was an unwitting pawn in Hawk Moth's grand plan. As Ladybug and Chat Noir continued their nightly patrols, they encountered Mirage's illusions throughout Paris. Buildings transformed into giant puzzles, streets twisted into mazes, and the city itself seemed to warp and change. Ladybug and Chat Noir found themselves facing challenges that tested their resolve and trust in each other. One night, as Ladybug and Chat Noir were trapped in an illusionary labyrinth, Mirage revealed herself. Hawk Moth's voice echoed through the illusion, taunting the heroes. "Ladybug and Chat Noir, your time has come. Mirage, with her powers of deception, will prove that your friendship is nothing but a fragile illusion. Once I have your miraculous, Paris will be mine." Determined to break free from the illusion, Ladybug and Chat Noir focused on the one thing that remained constant: their trust in each other. They reminded themselves of the countless victories they had achieved together, and the unbreakable bond that made them an unstoppable team. Their unwavering belief shattered Mirage's illusion, revealing the truth behind the deception. Mirage, confused and conflicted, realized that she had been manipulated by Hawk Moth. She turned against her puppeteer, refusing to be a pawn in his schemes. Ladybug and Chat Noir, seizing the opportunity, confronted Hawk Moth in a final showdown. With a combination of Ladybug's lucky charm and Chat Noir's cataclysm, they managed to purify the Akuma and free Mirage from Hawk Moth's control. The citizens of Paris, witnessing the triumph of their heroes, cheered as the Akuma butterflies dissipated into the air. Ladybug and Chat Noir, victorious once again, shared a fist bump, sealing their commitment to protect the city and maintain the true magic of their friendship. As the sun rose over Paris, Ladybug and Chat Noir bid farewell to Mirage, encouraging her to use her artistic talents for good. Hawk Moth, thwarted in his plans, retreated into the shadows, vowing to return with a new scheme. Back at school, Marinette and her classmates welcomed Mirage into their friend group. The once confused artist found solace in the genuine friendships that surrounded her, leaving behind the dark illusions of Hawk Moth. The people of Paris continued to live in peace, knowing that Ladybug and Chat Noir would always be there to defend them. The Eiffel Tower stood tall, the Seine River sparkled under the city lights, and the true magic of friendship and trust remained, stronger than ever in the City of Lights.